Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I got this in the mail and I'm so darn excited. I got this on Amazon. It is a Waterbob, and a Waterbob is another source for water storage. I got this on Amazon for $35. It holds up to 100 gallons of water and can keep the water fresh for 16 weeks. I will leave the link in the description box below for Amazon, or you could just go look it up. Just type in Waterbob. There was a back order on it. I ordered it, and they said that they wouldn't get the shipment back in until August 1st, but I got the email that they had shipped it out. They had got the shipment in early and they shipped it out right away. But anyway, it was only $35. So I'm going to open this up really quick because I'm dying to see what it looks like. Let me read and see what this says. Yeah, lay the Waterbob bladder flat in the tub. Attach the fill sock on the Waterbob bladder and slide the other end to the bathtub faucet. The Waterbob is ready to use. To dispense the water, thread on the siphon pump and insert the fill tube into a jug or pitcher. Keep water fresher longer, FDA approved materials, and BPA free. See, that is so important, BPA free, because if it's not BPA free, then chemicals can be released from the plastic into the water. Emergency drinking water storage, yeah. And for $35, honestly. Is there anything else on here? Yeah, it says right here, during emergency power outages, water main breaks and storm surges can interrupt or even contaminate your fresh water supply. The Waterbob is constructed of heavy-duty food-grade plastic and stores up to 100 gallons of clean water for your entire family for drinking, cooking, washing, flushing. So this, I mean, for $35, I know a lot of people, like get like rainwater and all, but, and the one thing that, especially like when like a hurricane is about to hit, and I just did a video on this about hurricane preparedness and stuff like that. The one thing they tell you to do is fill up your tub with water. Okay, well, if you don't feel safe with filling up your tub with water or whatever, get one of these for $35. Oh, look, here's the pump. Read before using. When filling the Waterbob, turn the cold water on slowly to prevent the water pressure from damaging the fill sock. Do not leave unattended. Okay, so obviously don't use hot water, only use cold water. All right. Yeah, warning, this is not a toy. All right, well, yeah. So, all right, I'm going to get up and I'm going to stretch this thing out because I don't want to go into the bathroom with this thing. Holy cow. This, honestly, is bigger than the tub. But I think what would happen is when this thing starts to fill up with water, is it going to lose length? You know what I'm saying? Is it going to lose length? because this is actually much bigger than my tub. Because the tub is in my son's bathroom. And then look how it opens up like that. So this is much bigger than the tub. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you that I got this in the mail today. This was actually sitting in my mailbox. So this is honestly, I think, one of the better investments when it comes to our, for our water storage. This is one of the better investments because it's only $35 and it stays in the tub, you know what I mean? And they always tell you to fill up your tub anyways when it comes to water storage, especially for like hurricanes and whatnot. So I think, you know, that this is really, really a good thing to get, you know. Honestly, I really think it is. And, you know, this is just to add to, you know, the already store-bought water and your water filtration system. And if you already have the rain barrels, the 55-gallon water barrels that you get from feed stores, I even saw those on Amazon. So, you know, I'm going to leave this out because Sean's on his way home from work and I know he's going to want to see this. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you this. So get one of these while they have them in stock, please. Because that, I mean, this is going to save you some time, some money, some energy, and it's going to relieve a lot of stress. Think about it. It's going to relieve a lot of stress. And there's also something else on Amazon that I saw that I want to get as well. Because a lot of people don't have tubs. You know, they have stand-up showers. And there's actually something on Amazon that I saw because, like, even though Andrew has the tub in his bathroom, I have a stand-up shower in my bathroom because, you know, master bathroom. So, they even have on Amazon that I saw, it's something like this, but it's made for a stand-up shower. So I'm going to, shit. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to curse. I am going to go back on Amazon and see if I can find that for the stand-up shower. And purchase that too. Because I think it was around the same price, I think. Don't hold me to that. But I think. How am I going to get this in there now? But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. I wasn't expecting to get this so soon, but I'm glad that I did. I'm really glad that I did. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. I love you. Be safe. And if there's any topics that you guys want me to touch base on, let me know in the comments section, okay? Or you guys can drop me an email. I'll leave my email address in the description box below, okay? So you guys can always, you know, just send me an email. Also, you know, sometimes, you know, what we do is very stressful, okay? It's very, very stressful. And sometimes, you know, you just need to rant or, you know, you just need to, you know, talk to somebody. Send me an email, okay? I will always I will listen. I'm a very good listener. And if you want some advice, I will give you the best advice that I could possibly give you. Okay? Touch base with me. I am one of those people. I will always keep in touch with every single one of you to the best of my ability. As you can see, if you look at my comment sections, I respond to every single one of you. Sometimes I just give you a like, but 9 times out of 10, I will always, always respond to you because I am that person. I will never just leave somebody on red. I will never do that. Okay? All right, have a great day, guys, and I love you. Be safe. Okay, bye.